This is a 2005 Chevy Malibu with a 2.2 liter in it. I have been having issues for the longest time with the fuel and the car not wanting to start correctly. So at times it would spit and sputter, and then sometimes it would start on the second try to turn over, and then at times it would just completely leave it dead in the water. So found a little trick somebody had talked about, and not a lot of people were talking about this. Maybe this will help you. So this is the rear in the trunk, the rear fuse panel. Pop this little guy off. This is actually where your fuel pump relay and your let's just worry about fuel pump relay. So for now, back here, this little plastic mount, it slides into these grooves, and so it's on the rear of the car, and these cars aren't very notorious for having the best shocks and suspension wise, so it gets a whole lot of rattle. Well, I kid you not, every one of these connections on the back of this relay were loose. So what I did is I ended up taking, you can do this with a little screwdriver, or this is a little circuit tester. You ground this, and then you end up having a little light that'll turn on in here if it's working correctly. This one's broken. But every one of these connections were actually loose, and you can press down on them and press them into place where they're supposed to be. By the way, yes, this does have power going through it. It might not be the smartest move in the world, but it's okay. I've already fixed it. I don't know if you've seen that one, but that green wire I just pushed down, I pushed that down and it was fully seated. So as of now, the car is running, and if it changes, you'll know.